Yeah, welcome to my channel. I am Sam. So I came to visit Rizzy World today. She's a fashion designer into making male and female clothes. I think that's what really caught my attention where she is. So I decided to pay her a visit today. She eats rice anyway. So I think I asked her rice and she sounds really well. So I really enjoyed myself. So she's going to teach us today how to cut male top. This is a lady, don't forget. Doing male clothes. Actually done one or two clothes from like this one. She's the one that did it. Yeah. So enlighten us today.
Thank you everyone. I'm Rita by name. I'm a unisex fellow.
Wow.
Yeah, and then Sam decided to visit me today so I can be able to tell or probably for him to see the process I go through cutting. Thank you for your opportunity and we wait to see how I do it.
Let's go!
Yeah. And the chest of the senator top I'm making is 40. So for the folding, you do 40 divided by 4, which is 10. Then that 10 plus the sewing allowance, 140 for chest. His chest is 40. So now, for the folding, this is how you go. The 40 divided by 4 is 10. Plus 1 inch sewing allowance. Then for 2 or 3 inches for the slit, the side slit, there will be a slit here. So everything is now 10 plus the 1 inch sewing allowance is 11 plus the 2 inches for the slit, that is making everything 13. Then you can put 1 inch in case of, or probably you want to still shape or whatever. So everything is now. Look at the nails and from the back, always be an inch, okay, let me say 3 inches higher, always be 3 inches higher than the front. So the whole of this is 30 length plus 2 inches folding allowance, which is 32. So now you have plus the 3 inches that is going to fold to the front, making it how many now? 35. So the back panel is going to be 35. Remember here should also be 40. To slant it, there is always something called shoulder slants. So I will go, it depends, or sometimes according to the dresses.
Repeat.
Okay, there's something called shoulder slant. So this place is not going to be straight, the shoulder is not going to be straight, it has to slant because we don't have a straight shoulder. So this is how we do it, depending on the person. 2.5 inches. This is 2.5 inches. You mark your 8.5. When you mark your 8.5, then you measure your armhole. The chest I'm making is 40. How to get the armhole? I use 40 divided by 4, and my 40 divided by 4 is 10. So that 10 for a man, you can just use 10. But if it's a female, I remove like 1 or 2 inches, depending, or 1.5. So, but that's because it's a male senator. I do chest divided by 40. It gives me 10, and I use that 10 exactly. Okay, so now take your 10 measurements here. here, then you draw a straight line. This place serves as your chest line. This is where you're going to take your chest line, and then your half length. My half length here is 16 belly length from the shoulder to the belly. That is the half length. So the half length here is 16. Then you take your 16 here. This is the 16. You take it. And take 8.5 divided by 2. You divide 8.5 by 2, it will give you 19. Okay, sometimes you make use of the tape. Okay, so the chest I'm measuring is 38.5. Okay. Okay, now that we have marked the chest measurement, we are now going over to the waist measurement. And the waist, I am taking the waist of the client is 38 inches. So now 38 inches divided by 4. This is 38 inches. You always make use of your tape. Most times to avoid mistake. Make use of your tape. 38 inches divided by 4. We get 9 and not up to 9.5. 2 inches. The hip measurement is 42 inches. So 42 divided by 4 is 10 and what's not up to 10.5. Okay, 10.5. Let me say 10.5. That's 2. Okay, so now you go over to the hip measurement, and the hip measurement is 42 by 4. Make sure you use your tape to be accurate. You can actually say it without using your tape, but it's always good to use your tape, especially for beginners. You need to do it so you're very sure whatever you're doing. So it's giving me 10.25. So that's the 10.25. Yeah. Then you measure it at the hip line plus your 1 inch sewing allowance, and then your 2 inches for the slit folding. That's why we added all this allowance there, 2 inches. So now to join it, it's going to go like this. And when you reach here, this is for the slits. This serves as the slits. Make sure you join it well. Sorry, the chalk is not showing me the dimensions. Remember to always fold here. Okay, now we want to take the armhole. The armhole measurement. Everything here is 8.5 for the shoulder, which is 17, plus 1 inch sewing allowance. You put your 1 inch sewing allowance here. It's going to be half inch anyway, but along the line I'm going to cut out and it will remain half inch. So from this, the whole of here is how many now? The whole of here is like, let me say 10 inches or 9.5 inches. Yeah, it's 9.5 inch. 9.5 inch. So you also measure the same 9.5 inch here. Then you draw your line to join it. You can actually make use of your ruler. If you don't have straight hand, make use of your ruler. Draw it straight, then you curve it. You curve like this. I have an armhole curve. Yeah. But if you can't use a curve, you can actually use something else. Okay, let me use a free hand so that in case you don't have these tools, you can still use your curve it way to this place. Curve it very well. When I curve it, I'm going to say sorry, the chalk is not showing very well. That's now. So you want to confirm if your neck is exactly 8.5. You go again, you put your tape this way, put it this way. It's supposed to be 8. Same, it is exactly. You're not going to make it 8.5 because after sewing, joining, it will now go down. So it will not be exactly 8.5. So what you will take is, if you have 8.5, take 8. If you have like 7, you take 6.5. Anything you have, just remove 1/2 inches and make sure it goes round. So that after sewing, you will still have your 8.5. Because what we are looking at is 8.25. So I took exactly 8. I didn't take exactly 8.25. I took 8 inches so that after sewing the neck, it will still come down. That's the next thing. So they are already confirmed that that's exactly how we were today. So the next thing is just to go applying it. This is just the basic things you need in order to make a snagger top. The hand also is at the back. And before joining and before sewing, you can put the machine. This is it for now. Thank you for watching. You just have to take the steps. You don't have to do it. watching. See you next time. Bye.
So Rizzy has shown us how she does her thing. So watch out for the sewing of the clothes in our next episode.